Have you ever had a confusion? When can I use didn't and when can I use couldn't? At the same time, you may also wonder how can I use wasn't and weren't. In this session, I'm going to teach you how do we use didn't, wasn't, weren't, and couldn't. To practice this lesson, I have shared a link. So click the link, take your test, and check the score. Before I proceed further, let me introduce myself. My name is Anudashri, and I'm a coach for career communication as well as an entrepreneur of the art of communicating and author of my book, Easy English. Now, let's get into the session. So today we are going to learn how can we use didn't and what's the meaning of didn't as well as couldn't. Didn't is something which we didn't try and we didn't do it. Okay. Couldn't is something which we tried but did not accomplish or did not or could not get it. Didn't, like, say example, I didn't go to market. Means I didn't try at all. Okay. When I say couldn't, due to my busy schedule, I couldn't go to market. Something stopped me in going there. There we use didn't and couldn't. And this can be explained more clearly to you with a couple of examples. Here, here's a board wherein I've mentioned some examples. Did not is something where you do not put any effort to do it. Like, I did not break this pencil. I didn't put any effort. I did not break it. I didn't put any effort over here. When I try to do it, I break it. When I'm not able to break it, then I say I couldn't do it. This is couldn't. The structure of didn't is like this: subject plus auxiliary verb, that is about did, not, and it should be the regular verb. It's a past simple negative form. Did not is a past simple negative form with the regular verb, and RO is nothing but the rest of the sentence. I did not sleep last night. You cannot say like I did not slept last night. When you have a positive statement, you can say like I slept well last night. I slept last night, right? The negative, when you're giving a negative is positive. When you're giving a negative form, after did not, you have to make the verb in the first form. That is V1. I did not sleep last night. Please do not write like I did not slept last night. It's absolutely wrong. You're not supposed to say this. This is totally wrong. When you say I did not sleep, you already have a negative form, did not, and again you need not put one more past tense here. So when you're using did not, that it should be followed the regular verb in the present tense. I did not sleep last night. When you're giving a positive statement, you can say I slept last night. Same here. She did not finish her work. Finish again be in first form. You cannot say she did not finish. She was not finished. Even that is wrong. After did not, the verb should be in the first form. When you're using did not, you need to use the regular verb. I mean to say the main verbs. And it should be in the present tense. They did not attend the meeting. Attend. Okay. We did not meet her. Okay, you can see here, I use did not, and after that, I use the verb in the first form. Did not should be followed by the regular verb, and that's the first form. So, whereas when I come to was not or were not, and I also like to add up did not, no matter what the subject is. The subject can be I, we, you, they, he, she, it, no matter what the subject is. The auxiliary verb, the helping verb is going to be only did not. There is no change as per the subject. It's all the same. And you cannot write, I not sleep last night. I not go there. It's totally wrong. I did not go there. She did not come to my house. You cannot say she not came to my house. It's totally wrong. I've seen people making this negative terms in different forms. No, there's a proper formula here. Subject, auxiliary verb that's did not, and the verb in the first form that's present tense, and the rest of the sentence. Now let us see how do we use was not and wasn't. Was not is used is a to be verb. It's also a past simple negative form for a to be verb. What is to be verb? Am, is, are, was, where, will be. That's what called as to be verb. So we use was not or wasn't for I, he, she, it. I was not at home. She was not busy. It was not tasty. He was not at office. Can you use it? So can you see here when I use was not, I never used any kind of main verbs. No main verbs. I didn't use any regular verb. It's only a negative form of to be verbs. It's a to be verb. Was, am, is, are, all these are to be verbs. I just use was not and continue. You cannot say I did not at home. She did not visit today. No, there is no verb here. If you have a main verb, then you can use did not. All did not, was not, were not, all these are past simple negative forms. He was not at office, were not or weren't. So we used was not as told you before for I, he, she, it, whereas were not and weren't is used for when the subject is you, we, they. Like you were not active. Again, you can check it out. After were not, there is no any main verb. You were not active. We were not busy. They were not at home. Isn't it easy? Just a simple understanding. English is very easy if you understand the logic of it. So was not and were not is not used with the main verbs. If you cannot after were not, you cannot bring any kind of verb in the first form. If you want to use any verb here, it's going to be in ing form. Let's not think about it. Let's go in a simple formula here. I hope it's clear. Now let's see how or when do we use this could not. Another one could not, no matter what the subject, whether the subject can be I, we, you, they, he, she, it, irrespective of the subject is, we need to use could not. And again, the verb is going to be in the first form and the rest of the sentence. So what is the difference of did not and could not? I know both are used in the past cases, the finished ones, but could not is used where you put all your efforts at unable to complete. For example, today I thought of shooting this in the morning. I could not shoot due to my busy schedule. I did not shoot in the means like I had lots of time, but I did not come and do it here. When I say could not, the sense I planned to shoot. I had a couple of classes, so I could not shoot it. So could not is something wherein you put your effort still unable to complete. Here, let me explain some examples. I could not sleep last night. In the sense, I went to bed and lied on the bed, but I could not sleep last night. So you can use could not also like I was not able to. Even that you can use it. I was not able to. You cannot say like I can was not able to. It's something clumsy here. I could not able I could not sleep, or you can say I was not able to. You cannot say I could not able to. She could not finish her work. The sense she tried her best to do it, spend long hours, but still she was not able to complete her work. Then she can say I could not, she could not finish her work. We cannot say she did not finish her work. She tried. So it comes, she could not finish her work. Here, they could not attend the meeting. Probably they were stuck in a traffic jam, or probably they're stuck in some work. So therefore, they could not attend the meeting. When we say they did not attend the meeting, it means they didn't put any effort, they didn't try, they don't like it or something like that. They could not attend due to some reason. We couldn't meet her. In fact, you imagine that you went to meet her. You waited for a long time. As she was stuck in some office meeting or somewhere else, she didn't come to meet you. So you say we waited for a long time. We could not meet her. I hope this is a difference. What you all know. I think you have understood this. So this is how we can use this could not and did not. Along with that, how to use wasn't and weren't will also explain. Please do not use just the word called not. I not go there. People also say that I did not came there. It's wrong. When you're using did not, it's followed by the verb, the main verb, and the verb should be only in the simple present tense. V1. I did not eat, right? You cannot say I did not ate. It's wrong. When you want to give a positive sentence, you can say yes, I ate it. The second form, I ate. When you want to make the sentence negative, I did not eat. I could not eat is something which you were not able to do it. Like I was not able to do it. I hope it's clear. So if you want to practice more, so please click the link which I'm sharing it now below this video. There are some exercises wherein you can just put a tick and check your scores over there. I hope this lesson was quite useful. If you think it's quite useful, do share it with your friends and your relatives. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Until then, it's your Anudashri signing off for the day. Thank you. God bless you. Cheers.